Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today my lecture topic is electric current. It is a topic of intermediate and chapter number 13. Here we use some terms which we define, which are electrostatics. It is the effect of charges at rest. Number 2, electrodynamics, effects of charges in motion. Number 3, electricity, presence and flow of electric charges in one direction. Some other terms are used, which are conductors and insulators. Conductors are material which allow the charges. For example, copper, silver, gold, etc. Insulators are material which does but not allow the charges. Example, wood, plastic, rubber. यहाँ पे हम कुछ डेली जो लफ्ज़ वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं उसके बारे में भी डिटेल बताएंगे। ये वर्ड्स हैं चार्ज, करंट, वोल्टेज, एनर्जी, पावर। इसको हम डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। नंबर 1, चार्ज। देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ चार्ज कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. Like charges always repel each other and unlike charges attract to each other. The symbol of charge is Q. The unit of charge is coulomb. The charge on an electron is known as elementary charge, smallest possible charge, and is equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Number 2, current. Current is a flow of positive charges. The quantity current I is defined as the rate of charges flow. If Q flow in t seconds, the current I is given by I is equal to Q upon T. The unit of current is coulomb per second or ampere, which is SI unit. There are 2 types of current, namely direct current DC and alternating current AC. In DC, the net charges flow in one direction, and in AC, the charges flow alternates. A current flows along a metal or wire when a battery is connected to it. The current is due to free electrons moving along a metal. The battery has a potential difference or voltage between its poles due to chemical change inside the battery. The potential difference pushes the electrons along the metal. One pole of the battery is called positive pole and the other is called the negative pole. The conventional current flows in a circuit connected from the positive to negative pole. The electronic current along the circuit wires actually move in the opposite direction to the conventional current. The smaller unit of current is milliampere. It is equal to 10 to power minus 3 ampere, or microampere. It is equal to 10 to power minus 6 ampere. Effects of current. There are 3 effects of current: heating effect, chemical effect and magnetic effect of current. Number 3, voltage. Voltage is defined as the work done when a unit positive charge is moved from infinity to a point is called a potential of that point. It is measured in joule per coulomb, or it is equal to volt, and volt is SI unit and it is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Hence, the potential at point is called voltage. Now term potential difference. Work done by moving a unit positive charge from one point to another is defined as the potential difference or voltage difference between the points. If the work done by moving a charge is W, then voltage difference V is given by V is equal to W upon Q. Number 4, electrical energy. When positive charges move from high potential to low potential, electrons move from low potential to high potential. They release energy equivalent to work done when moving against the potential. Therefore, the energy released is the same as the work done. Therefore, V is equal to W upon Q or U upon Q, where U is called electrical energy, or by formula U is equal to VQ, but Q is equal to IT according to charge formula. Therefore, U is equal to VIT. Electron volt. Symbol EV. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. In electronics and in nuclear energy, atomic physics, the unit of energy is called electron volt. The definition of electron volt is, it is defined as the energy gained by a charge equal to that on an electron moving through a potential difference of 1 volt. The commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule, or it is equal to 3.6 megajoule. Number 5, power. Symbol P. It is electrical power. It is defined as the rate of energy dissipation. Therefore, P is equal to W upon T or U upon T. It is equal to VIT upon T, or it is equal to P is equal to VI. It is a product of voltage and current. The SI unit of power is watt. Larger unit is kilowatt, and kilowatt is equal to 10 to the power 3 watt. Megawatt, it is equal to 10 to the power 6 watt. The other formula for power is P is equal to I square into R, where I is current, R is the resistance, and other is P is equal to V square upon R. V is the voltage, R is the resistance. This formula is true only when all the electrical power supplied is dissipated as heat. Multiple choice questions. These questions are related with topics. Number 1. In an experiment, a 3 ampere current flows in a component for 3 minutes. The voltage across the component is measured as 12 voltage. What quantity of charge flows in the component during this experiment? In this problem, 3 quantities are given, which are current of 3 ampere, time 3 minutes, and we convert it in seconds. 3 into 60 is equal to 180 seconds. The voltage across component is measured as a 12 voltage. V is equal to 12 volt. What is the quantity of charge we have found in this problem? Charge. Q is equal to I into T. Therefore, I into T is equal to Q. We put here values, then we calculate the answer. Number 2, in this table we have given some quantities which are power and voltage. The following information related in a below question shows the voltage and power rating of electrical appliance we use in our houses. Now, A. Washing machine 3000 watt 240 voltage. Car headlight 36 watt 12 voltage. Television 100 watt 240 voltage. Electric iron 960 watts 240 voltage. Hair curling iron 20 watt 150 voltage. From this chart we calculate A. Which appliance has the largest working current. Current I is equal to P upon V. Here power P V. Power is divided by voltage. B. A hair curling iron is used for 7 minutes. The energy is used. Time 7 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. First we calculate time in seconds. Then E is equal to P into T. P, power of curling iron, is 20 watt, and we have multiplied it by the 7 minutes. Then we calculate the answer. Number C. The cost of an electric current is 8 rupees per unit. The cost of using washing machine for half an hour. In this MCQ, cost of 1 unit is 8 rupees. Therefore, if we use a washing machine for half an hour, then what will be the cost of electricity? Now, first of all, we calculate energy from this problem. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, and 1 upon 2 hour is equal to 1800 seconds. Therefore, E is equal to P into T. Therefore, E is equal to P into T. Therefore, P for washing machine is 3000 watt, and time it is equal to 1800. Now answer will be in joule. Then we calculate energy in kilowatt hour. the answer which will be divided by kilowatt hour. Then we multiply it with the cost. Then it will be the result. Number 3, a current of 60 ampere is drawn from the battery for 1 minute. The charge flow the circuit is. Here two quantities are given. One current 60 ampere and time 1 minute. Charge, again charge is equal to Q is equal to I into T. I multiply by the time, then answer will be checked. The battery of calculator supplied 0.5 ampere current at the potential difference of 6 voltage. What is the power rating of the calculator? Again P is equal to VI. Here two quantities are given. One is the current, other is the voltage. Then we multiply voltage by current, then answer will be given in this options. How? Number 5, how much heat does a 100-watt bulb generates in 1 minute? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and other quantity is a power 100 watt. Therefore, how much energy? E is equal to P into T. P multiplied by time. The answer will be match in this options. Number 6, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 megajoule or 8.6 megajoule. Here we choose the answer. Number 7, which is correct from this options? Number 1, dry cell converts. Number 1, A, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. B, heat energy into mechanical energy. C, chemical energy into electrical energy. All of the above. मुझे